Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo S60. In this video I'll show you how to pair smartphone with car via Bluetooth. In the beginning, make sure that your smartphone has Bluetooth enabled, and now on the car's system, let's go to telephone. Press OK, add phone, press OK, and on your smartphone go to Bluetooth settings. Select your smartphone from the list, confirm pairing on the smartphone by entering code located on the screen, allow, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.